Now, I'm sorry to say that after all this work, you're still not done, because all we've done so far is the color correcting, which again, you can even do more of later on. Under the colors menu, there's a number of choices you can choose. But before we get to that part, we have this blemished baby picture that's still blemished. It still has problems. So let's zoom in and take a look at some of the scratch marks. Here's a scratch mark. Here's a scratch mark. Here's another scratch mark. And then here's a missing couple of pixels. Here's another missing pixels. Here's more missing pixels there, there, and there. Now we've used the clone tool before. The clone tool is the brown stamper tool that looks like this, called the clone tool. And you can set a softer brush if you'd like. That's a little bit on the big side. I'm going to go for somewhere around size 4. Bring my, that's much better. And remember that Control gives you the sniper, so I want to copy from there. Actually, I'll go on this side. Copy from there, and then if I click and drag, it pastes it over top. Now that doesn't look too bad. But you'll see if I get up here with one long click and drag that I can end up with some pretty weird results. Okay, doesn't look too bad, but you sort of can tell that there's a weird line that goes through there. I'm just going to Control Z that. Okay, so now instead I'm going to try out this new healing tool. And the healing tool is a lot like the clone tool. It still needs a Control click to say copy from here. But as it goes along, it tries to be a little bit smarter. It's almost like a clone tool and a smudge tool all at the same time. And so you can see here, as I've gone along, Control click, click and drag, that it's a little bit smarter, a little bit cleaner. Now it doesn't always work this way, but certainly in something wide open and simple as this, I can just click and drag, and it does a remarkable job of making it uneven. Control click down here, click to get rid of that spot. Okay, it really does a remarkable job. It's not perfect every time. You may still need to go back and smudge a little bit later, but it does do a remarkably good job for a quick tool when you're in a hurry. I'm just going to Control click and get rid of a few more spots. And you can see I've got a lot of work to do around the lips still, and a lot more work to do on these scratches that come up here and that come up here.